Overall, the Fabia MK3 with the 1.0 MPI engine is a perfect city car because it doesn't consume a lot of fuel. It's quite nice to drive. It's not very underpowered. It's underpowered, of course, with this 3-cylinder 1-liter non-turbocharged engine, which is underpowered, but not extremely underpowered in the city. You will not feel this in the city driving, feel a lot of problems with this car. But what makes problems with this car is the gearbox and the clutch pack. I got this vehicle when it was already 200 something thousand kilometers, and the clutch pack was just screaming. So I had to buy the new clutch pack and replace it, and I was shocked with the size of this clutch pack. As you see, it's just like a toy for me. Just look at it. How can it pull such a vehicle? It's maybe okay for the Volkswagen Up, for the Skoda Citigo, but it's really bad for the Fabia. Look at this clutch, it's just destroyed. And I don't think it's the original one. I believe they already changed it at 100,000 kilometers. It's the Sachs brand, so I don't know if it's original because they used Sachs clutch packs, but probably not. Probably it's not original. And look at its condition. It's thin, it's awful. And it's very small, the very small area of contact, you see, the very small area of contact. So of course, when you drive this car just a little bit actively, just a little bit aggressively, it will fail probably at, I don't know, 100,000 kilometers, 80,000 kilometers, something like that. So this is the big problem with these cars. But the worst thing was the release bearing. I didn't save it to show you, unfortunately, but it was destroyed. And this release bearing is what actually makes those noises that I showed you in this video. This is the culprit of the noises. But if you replace just the release bearing and not the clutch pack, it's not going to help you a lot. So this is what it takes when it comes to the Fabia MK3 with the 1.0 MPI. This is probably the only really common problem with these cars.